Hi guys! So today for our spelling test we're going to be doing sounds with the th sound on the end, okay? So I'm going to read out the words and you can pause the video if you need to a little bit longer to write down the word, and then I'll go through the spellings at the end, okay? So I've got your paper and pencil ready. Your number one is have. Have. I have 2 cats. Number 2, gave. I gave my friend an apple. Gave. Number 3, shove. Do not shove your brother. Shove. Number 4, live. Where do you live? Live. Number 5, give. Give the toy to me. Give. Number 6, leave. Leave me alone. Leave. Number 7, stove. Something is cooking on the stove. Stove. Number 8, grave. I visited Grandma's grave. Grave. Number 9, Eve. It is Christmas Eve. And number 10, love. I love chocolate. Love. Okay? So if you've done all those words, we're going to go through the spellings now. Okey-doke. So number 1, have, you spell like this. Okay? H-A-V. Have. Number 2, gave. Gave. Okay. Number 3, shove. Shove. Okay. Number 4, live. Live. Number 5, give. Give. Number 6, leave. Leave. Number 7, stove. Stove. Number 8, grave. Grave. Number 9, Eve. Eve. And number 10, love. Love. Okay, so well done on your spellings. If you got them all right, if you got most of them right, if you've only got a few right, that's absolutely fine. If you want to, you can just practice them again. Remember, I'm always proud of you if you've really tried your best and you've really practiced them hard. Okay, because they are tricky spellings. Now that we're in year 1, we do lots of tricky spellings. Okay, so well done everybody, and I will see you in a few weeks. Bye!